Tonight's another observing night at Lyndon Observatory with my astronomy club, but as usual it's cloudy. But I'm going anyway because, well, you may remember that about a month ago I helped dismantle the huge telescope over at Lyndon, and they sent it to Victoria to have it upgraded, and today it's coming back and we're going to assemble it. So we're going to do that anyway, even though it's cloudy. So, you know, I've packed my telescope in the car, and if the weather does change, I've got my scope and I can do a bit of observing, but otherwise I'll just come home after the, you know, after we put the telescope together. So there you have it. Let's go.
Right, this is blind.
Blind?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, both eyes. He's really healthy. Like the rest of him.
Yeah, yeah,
The rest of it, he's got the nicest coat I've ever known him to have.
Yeah, that's
Well, here I am at Lyndon Observatory, and as you can see, the guys have just rolled the shed off. I would have helped, but I was over there. I'm making another time-lapse video. My camera's set up over there. We're expecting the big telescope to arrive in a truck. No, not a truck, a trailer or something. And we're going to set it up here on the concrete slab. It's very exciting. As for observing tonight, there's a little bit of blue sky. There's a bit. It doesn't look good. The guy that did the upgrade on the telescope down in Victoria is actually bringing it up himself, and he should be arriving shortly with a trailer. And he is an expert with this type of telescope. He actually makes them. He has a company that builds these telescopes. I think it's a one-man operation, and his company is called SDM Telescopes, which stands for Size Does Matter, because it does. And yeah, so he makes really big telescopes. The trailer's being opened now, and he's pulling out the telescope. It's got a name now. It's the Evans. Oh, the Evans 30-inch. It's not T-Rex anymore.
voila. The problem is, geez, looks new with the new rubbers on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, pity don't get covered.
It should be owned by.
It's Rob. New bit. Oh, I think this is a new bit too. This knob.
And you are for what you've done.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's assuming it works.
Well, that's right. I mean, there's always that risk.
No.
Well, I'll run through that in a minute, and hopefully Mr. Wonky astronomer will get this all down on tape, and you can refer to it at will.
Right.
Well, there's an idea.
Yes,
Documenting it.
exactly. Well, we'll come back to that later.
Well, the modifications to the telescope include that it's now motorised. It's got a little computer. It can point to anything. You just dial up what you want to look at, and it'll point to it. So we're now trying that out. But you really have to align it with the stars before it'll work properly. So, got two problems. It's cloudy and it's not dark, so we're just sort of faking it to see if the thing works. It seems to be working, but you know, you can't really be sure until we actually try it out at night. Well, there you have it. T-Rex returns.